Automation is transforming the job landscape in unprecedented ways. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, many jobs that were once performed by humans are now being taken over by robots, algorithms, and other forms of automation. In this video, we will explore 10 ways automation is changing the job landscape, and what this means for the future of work. 1. Increased productivity and efficiency. One of the most significant ways that automation is changing the job landscape is by increasing productivity and efficiency in the workplace. By automating repetitive, low-value tasks, workers are freed up to focus on higher-value activities that require human judgment and creativity. This allows businesses to produce more output with fewer resources, which can lead to lower costs and higher profits. 2. The rise of the gig economy. Automation has also fueled the growth of the gig economy, which is characterized by short-term contracts and freelance work. Platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and TaskRabbit rely on automation to match freelancers with clients, and to facilitate payments and other administrative tasks. This has created new opportunities for workers to earn income on their own terms, but it has also raised concerns about job security and benefits. 3. Job displacement. Perhaps the most well-known effect of automation is job displacement. As machines and algorithms become more sophisticated, they are able to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This has led to the automation of many jobs in manufacturing, retail, and other industries, resulting in widespread job losses. While some experts believe that automation will ultimately create more jobs than it destroys, the transition may be difficult for workers who are displaced. 4. New skills requirements. As automation takes over certain tasks, workers will need to acquire new skills to remain competitive in the job market. For example, as more companies adopt AI and ML technologies, there will be a growing demand for workers with skills in data analysis, machine learning, and programming. Workers who are able to adapt to these changing skill requirements will be better positioned to succeed in the new economy. 5. The need for upskilling and reskilling. To prepare for the changing job landscape, many workers will need to upskill or reskill. This can involve acquiring new certifications, taking courses, or pursuing higher education. Employers may also need to invest in training programs to help their workers acquire the skills they need to succeed in the new economy. However, upskilling and reskilling can be expensive and time-consuming, which may pose a challenge for some workers. 6. The growth of remote work. Automation has also fueled the growth of remote work, which allows employees to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Platforms like Zoom and Slack have made it easier than ever for teams to collaborate from different locations, which has opened up new opportunities for remote work. This has been particularly beneficial during the COVID-19 pandemic, as many businesses were forced to adopt remote work to keep their employees safe. 7. The need for digital literacy. As more jobs require workers to use digital tools and platforms, there is a growing need for digital literacy. This involves not just basic computer skills, but also an understanding of how to use specific software programs and applications. Workers who are able to demonstrate digital literacy will be more attractive to employers and will be better positioned to succeed in the new economy. 8. The rise of the robot-proof job. As more jobs become automated, there is a growing recognition of the need for robot-proof jobs that cannot be easily replaced by machines. These include jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and other skills that are difficult to replicate using AI and ML. Examples of robot-proof jobs include teachers, nurses, and social workers. 9. The impact on wages and income inequality. The impact of automation on wages and income inequality is a complex issue. On the one hand, automation can lead to lower costs and higher profits, which can result in higher wages for workers who are able to acquire the necessary skills to succeed in the new economy. On the other hand, automation can also lead to job losses and lower wages for workers who are displaced. This can exacerbate income inequality and widen the gap between high-skilled and low-skilled workers. 10. The need for ethical considerations. As automation becomes more prevalent in the workplace, there is a growing need for ethical considerations. This includes issues such as bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and the impact of automation on society as a whole. As businesses adopt automation technologies, they will need to ensure that they are acting ethically and responsibly, and that they are considering the potential impact of their actions on their employees and the broader community. In conclusion, automation is transforming the job landscape in many ways. While it offers many benefits, including increased productivity and efficiency, the growth of the gig economy, and the rise of remote work. It also poses challenges, including job displacement, the need for upskilling and reskilling, and the impact on wages and income inequality. To succeed in the new economy, workers will need to adapt to these changes and acquire the skills they need to thrive in a world of automation. At the same time, businesses will need to act ethically and responsibly, and consider the potential impact of their actions on their employees and the broader community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for your support.